Why does your scanner show the P0345 engine code? What does it mean? P0345 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor A, circuit malfunction bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the Engine Control Unit (ECU) or Powertrain Control Module (PCM) is not receiving the correct signal from the camshaft position sensor on bank 2 of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective camshaft position sensor, wiring and connection issues, reluctor ring or encoder ring problems, timing component malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Nissan Pathfinder, and Honda Civic models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.